Our theme was Soaring Through Time with Westlawn. So we're doing the 1980s this week. We did 1970s last week, and we're doing the 1990s next week. So it's like soaring through the time, so the kids will get a chance to see what all the different things that the different time period had to offer during that time. Some of our kids were interested in being entrepreneurs whenever they finished school, so we decided to teach them how to count money. I know some things that she do. She count money. We do mock interviews. We have the kids budget their money. So one thing about budgeting, they spend their money, but they're not budgeting. So teaching them how to budget money and count money was very important. Yeah, so the good academic project-based, we do a lot of project-based learning. The kids are always in group working together to solve various problems. Reading and math is a stress here, but the importance of reading and math, we try to integrate it into other hands-on activities so the kids won't think that they're just reading and math. We try to integrate it with a lot of enrichment activities so they don't even know that they're learning, but they really are because they're having so much fun. So with the CPR class, the physical education teacher came to me and approached the idea for doing a CPR class with the students to get them learning how to save a life just in case they're put in their situation where they have to use that. So they volunteered to start teaching kids how to do CPR training. That's going to be very beneficial in their household. So that's a STEAM activity that we're doing. So STEAM is offered every day, Monday through Friday with the students. So whatever that we're talking about or doing within the week, because we was talking about 1970s and 80s, so they decided to do lava lamps, but that was very popular back then. So we also have the kids doing drama as well. Drama in theory is one of our things that we're doing as well with the students, getting them into acting, a little singing, a little dancing, a variety of things to just get them involved. We also have Drum Nation that comes as well. Drum Nation comes on Tuesday and Thursdays, and it helps with the skills for the kids as well for drumming. So the kids enjoyed it, so especially our upcoming 5th grade, upcoming 6th grade that we have coming here, they got a chance to learn how to do drumming, and it kind of prepares them for when they get ready to join our drum classes this fall, so they really enjoy that. We also have culinary arts going on where the students are able to learn how to cook from one of our master teachers that cooks a lot. So he's teaching them how to cook, doing like when they're at home by themselves or they have to be the one to cook at home. He's teaching them how to do different culinary arts and also the teachers as well.